Namaste. So, we all have this habit of changing ourselves or adjusting ourselves from what the world thinks of us. We view ourselves from the other people's opinions. It could be your friends, your spouse, your children, your family, or anybody else. My suggestion to you is don't change or don't try to make any adjustments according to what the world thinks of you. What is important is what you think about yourself. That is very important. Very often it happens. If somebody comments something on you, about you, that this is one thing I don't like about you. Somebody says that. This is one thing I don't like about you. You lose your temper very often. I'm not saying losing temper is a good thing, but I'm just giving it to you as an example. If somebody says that, or we'll take a better example. If somebody says, you cry at the drop of a hat, why are you so sensitive? If somebody says that, why are you so sensitive? You should not be so sensitive. You will try to change yourself so that somebody else will not say that you're so sensitive. Why do you want to do that? It's a very nice thing to be sensitive. So why do you have to change? Most of us have this habit. किसी ने हमको कुछ बोला, किसी ने हमसे कुछ कहा, तो हम अपने आप को बहुत सामने वाले की तरह से बदलना शुरू करते हैं. This happens with married ladies very often. अगर आपकी ननद ने, आपकी सास ने, आपके हस्बैंड ने कुछ बोला कि इस तरह से नहीं तुमको बिहेव करना चाहिए, इस तरह से नहीं करना चाहिए, ये नहीं है, ये वो नहीं, हम लोग उस तरह से बहुत ज़्यादा मोल्ड करते हैं. We bend backwards to please others. I'm not saying it is wrong, don't get me wrong, but don't lose your personality in it. We try to lose others and we lose ourselves in that. हमारी जो पर्सनालिटी है, हमारा जो अस्तित्व है, इसको हम पूरी तरह से भूल जाते हैं. And we please everybody else, but there is nobody who pleases us. Does anybody adjust with you what you like? Has anybody come and asked you what you like and what you think? No. But you are expected to change according to what this one thinks about you and that one thinks about you. So you don't have to change or make any such major adjustments whereby you lose yourself and your own personality. Now there's a very thin line in this, don't get me wrong. Like if you say you're an angry person, to be angry for no rhyme or reason is not a good thing. So if somebody says, why do you get angry? Why are you so short-tempered? Then you can't tell that person, this is what I am, this is my personality. No. That's a good advice that somebody is giving you. But your basic core, your basic nature, and especially when it comes to Indian women, they completely lose themselves to their spouse, to their family, to their children. And nobody cares for that particular woman who adjusts so much with everybody. I have always known most women who come to me, there are more women clients I have. So most women who come to me start feeling that nobody cares for them. It doesn't matter to anybody in the house whether I have liked something, whether I am cared for. But that woman of the house is running around the whole day, keeping every member of the house happy. Who keeps her happy? Nobody even thinks of that. Because it is expected of a woman that this is what her job is. That is what I'm saying. So don't lose yourself and change yourself according to other people's opinions. Other people's opinions have to matter to you only up to a certain point, not beyond that. If somebody gives an opinion, fine, take it, accept it, see if it works with you. See if that opinion is going to contribute to you. If it's going to contribute to you, please take it, accept it, and try to change accordingly. But if it's not going to contribute to you, you don't have to feel hurt about it and try to change. There is a nice story that I know about this. This entire animal kingdom and bird kingdom got together, and they all started saying that we are fed up. The fish started saying we're fed up of being in the water all the time. I would like to be like a turtle, be half in the water, half in the on land. Then the animals started saying we would love to fly like the birds. The birds saying we would like to jump around like a deer. So there was a lot of I would like to be like this and I would like to be like that. So they went to God, and they told God, I would like to be the fish that I would like to be on the land. The bird said I would like to run like an animal on the ground, and all kinds of things. So they each one chose what they would like to be. God said, okay, fine, I will grant your wishes to them. So the wishes were granted. What happened in the bargain? In the bargain, what happened was none of them were good at those things that they got new. They could not adjust with the new things. A bird was not good at running on the ground. An animal was hopeless by flying in the air. They could not do those things well at all. Why? Because they wanted to be someone else. In the bargain, they were not even good at what they were doing. So this is what happens. When we try to change according to somebody else's opinion, we are not good at what we actually are. We have lost ourselves by just pleasing somebody. So if somebody says, oh, so nice you did this, and nobody ever says that. Nobody even realizes that you went backwards to please that person in the family or a job or wherever else. So my dear friends, do not change yourself and shift and rule your life or make your life according to what other people think of you. Take their opinions and be what you are. You know what you are good at. You know what you're best at. Don't let that best go away because of somebody else's opinion. Trust in yourself. Be yourself. It's very important. Thank you so much. Namaste.